Natural cough remedies for persistent and dry coughs. Carrot juice. Make fresh juice from 4 or 5 carrots and then add water to dilute it. For taste and advantages, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the juice 3 to 4 times each day until your symptoms improve. Honey. Take 1 teaspoon of organic, raw, honey. Take 1 teaspoon of honey 13 times daily when needed to manage coughing. Take immediately before going to sleep if cough is disrupting your sleep. For kids, you are able to adjust the dosing to at least 1 teaspoon as much as 1 teaspoon. Ginger. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Insert them in a glass of water and produce to some boil. Drink this herbal solution 3 to 4 times each day for respite from a sore throat, nonstop coughing as well as congestion. You may also some fresh lemon juice and honey into it. An alternative choice would be to chew fresh raw ginger off and on during the day to take down cough. Lemon. An easy cough syrup can be created by mixing 2 teaspoons fresh lemon juice and something teaspoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times each day. A different way to use lemons is to merge fresh lemon juice after some honey along with a pinch of red pepper cayenne after drink it.